Once Estimator Pro is installed on your computer, the first step to begin working with it is to locate the Estimator Pro 5.0 icon on your desktop, or by clicking on the Start menu, Programs, Estimator Pro, and then the Estimator Pro 5.0 icon. Notice also that the user manual can also be accessed through this menu. To launch Estimator Pro for this demo, the Estimator Pro 5.0 icon is double-clicked. Estimator Pro will then open. The first time Estimator Pro opens, you will be asked if you want to enable the macros. Click the box that says, Always trust this source, and then click Enable Macros. You will also be presented with a message asking if you want to update the workbook with changes made to other workbooks. Always click No when this message appears. The next step is to move the Estimator Pro toolbars to the top of the spreadsheet so they are not overlaying your workspace. First, click the Grade area over the toolbar title of each toolbar, and while holding the mouse button down, drag the toolbar up to the new location in the toolbar area of Excel. Release the button to drop the toolbar. You can customize the location of all toolbars with the same methods just shown. Now we can begin to use Estimator Pro. For this demonstration, we will work with the garage doors detail sheet. Here we are scrolling down the summary sheet to garage doors. To view the details for garage doors or any item on the list, simply click on it. The first feature we will demonstrate on this detail sheet is lump sum, which is selected when the sheet is opened. To enter a lump sum or a bid, click the green Enter Amount cell, type the value, and press Enter on the keyboard. To see how this amount has been automatically entered into the summary spreadsheet, click the Go to Summary button on the Estimator Pro navigation toolbar. Let's go back to the garage doors detail sheet and try the detailed estimating method. We select the detailed estimate option and enter some specific items. To add objects to the garage door description list, click the Add Item button. Whenever you see a question about opening the Estimator Pro db.xls file, select Yes. This will result in a pop-up box with several predefined items for garage doors. From this materials list, select the items to add to the garage door detail. To add materials, select an item, then click the Add Item button, as shown here for the 18 by 7 non-insulated door. Notice how this item now appears in the description list. Or you can simply double-click the item with the left mouse button, as we've done here for the remaining items. Once you are done adding items, click the Close button. If you need to change an item's quantity, simply click that item's QTY cell, type the new amount, and press Enter on the keyboard. To see how this new detailed amount has been automatically entered into the summary spreadsheet, again, click the Go to Summary button on the Estimator Pro navigation toolbar. Here's an alternate way to get to a specific detail sheet. Select the Go to Sheet menu item, or click the Preview Sheets button from the Estimator Pro navigation toolbar. Then click the desired item. Again, we'll demonstrate garage doors. Now we'll show you how to update the pricing database that sits behind the detail sheet. Click the Go to Database button from the navigation toolbar. With this database, we can customize our suppliers and their prices. Let's change Supplier 1 to ABC Lumber. Now let's change the price for an 18 by 7 non-insulated door to $595 by clicking the appropriate cell, the new price, then pressing Enter. Note the small red comment triangle tracks when that price was last updated. Let's go back to the detail sheet to update the estimate pricing. Click the Go to Detail on the Estimator Pro navigation toolbar. To have prices applied from a particular supplier, click the Choose Supplier button. Select ABC Lumber, then click OK. Notice how ABC Lumber appears as our supplier, and the prices have been automatically updated. Especially note the $595 price for the 18 by 7 door. Now let's go back to the overall summary sheet to see this updated cost estimate for the garage door item. Finally, we can mark garage doors as completed from the summary menu on the Utilities toolbar. Click the column to the left of the finished item. The resulting plus sign indicates the estimate for that item has been completed. You can then move on and estimate the next phase of construction.